G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and today we're going to do a walkthrough. What's that? Well, stick and stay, don't go nowhere, and we'll explain everything to you right here, Restoring a Princess. Okay, so what's the purpose of this walkthrough?
So, a couple of different things. First of all, we do this walkthrough often leading up to the launch of the airport, just to get the stakeholders involved on the site, for them to see their space, see the space that they're going to occupy, see the space that they're going to be operating in and from, so that they could, if there's issues, they could start to signal, but they could also get familiar with the building, because again, it's been a couple of years that some of them have not been operating from this space. So some things may take some adjustments. They may want to make some last-minute changes here and there, suggestions, etc.
So a lot of these customs and immigration officers, this is their first time seeing this?
Not necessarily the first time.
Okay.
For some, yes, could be the first time, or it could be a very long time since they've been back. Because remember, in the past, we were focusing on phase 1 and then phase 2, and so now we're focusing on phase 3. So while they may have been on the site before, they may not have necessarily been in the arrivals portion or the reclaim area, etc.
All right, yeah. I gotcha. Okay, before we go, we just did our walkthrough. What is this?
This is the head of state room.
What the heck is that? The head of state room?
Head of state room. So when we have officials, VIPs,
President, the king.
There you go.
You go in here.
This is a holding room that we have for them.
Can we go inside?
Of course. You want to knock?
Yeah.
Whoever that is, stop knocking.
Housekeeping.
Okay.
So they have their own private bathroom in the corner, space for TV. There's a kitchenette over on the left.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the bathroom.
No, that's the exit. The bathroom is around the corner here.
So that's an exit to get out.
Yeah.
Okay. So this room was always here? This is not nothing new?
Yes, this was here before. Obviously renovated, but yeah, we had it before.
So like when the king came, he used the room?
As a matter of fact, a few days ago, I saw a picture that I took in here when William Maarten was Prime Minister at the time.
In here?
Yeah.
This is like one of these secret rooms you never, ever see, never knew about.
Yeah, yep.
Anyway, Damien, long story short, this has been really cool because a lot of people don't get a chance to see actually what a walkthrough is. Now, how many times do you guys do this?
So at this point it's countless how much time we did it.
Well,
but
let's just say a month.
At least once a month we try to do it with the internal teams, with the stakeholders. So today we had customs, we had immigration, and then some operation representatives as well, some one or two members from commercial, from
Okay.
the maintenance departments. So again, we try to make sure that everybody on different levels of the organization, internally, PJIAE, but also for the airport community,
Okay.
for them to be here on the space, get familiar with it so that they know on opening day it's nothing new.
Okay.
It's something that they've seen before.
Oh, so you guys are actually working.
Yeah.
We have been working very hard.
Hey, it's been real.
Sure, no
Thank
problem.
you very much once again.
Thank
hey,
you.
make sure you check out future episodes of Restoring a Princess. What do you got to do, Damien?
Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend.
And ring the
Ring the bell. Ring the bell. There you
ring
go.
the bell. Until next time for Restoring a Princess. Oh, hold on, one more thing. 80 years, right? We're
Yes,
celebrating?
yes.
Will this room be ready for that big surprise for 80 years? Celebration?
How about I leave that as a surprise to you?
Until next time, Restoring a Princess.